G'day Oz ADV rider, I am where the sign for Billy Goat Bluff Track should be. I'm at the top end, about to head down, going to check it out. If it looks doable, I'm going to turn around and come back up. I can't see it happening, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm on the Suzuki V-Strom 2008 model. It has WR450 front end, Africa twin shock at the rear. I've left my bags back at the cabin at Lacola, so I'm carrying just my 6 litre Rhino walk. Panniers on the crash bars with a bit of emergency gear, and just my day bag, little tail bag. It's filling up because I had to take a layer off. It's finally warming up. Anyway, let's get cracking. Absolutely beautiful day. Just been up to the pinnacles. Amazing views. So I did this track about 1.5 years ago in really bad condition. I believe it got some repairs done end of last year, so I don't know what it's like now. Hopefully it's a bit easier. Yeah, this track's a total of 10 kilometres. Rises in elevation a bit at the start, and then the last 6 kilometres drops 1,200 metres. Very, very steep. Stunning views if you've got time to look at them. That's kind of why I bring a camera along, so I can look at it later. Too busy hanging on. I'll tell you what, the trip up here from Lacola is a long, bumpy ride. Where am I going here? That way? I think it's... no signpost there. I'm assuming it's this way. Yeah, talking about those corrugations and the vibrations on the way up, this mirror snapped off just from vibrations. Didn't drop the bike or anything, it just fell off. Rightio, starting to get rocky now. Oh man. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Fucking beautiful. Stunning. So Woonongata Valley. That there is the helipad I can see. Doesn't look far away from here. We've got to go down, 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 and there's a big steep hill to get up to it. Then you can see it along the ridge line, and it drops down again, very steep. Okay, down we go. Yeah, down we go. I must admit, I'm pretty damn nervous, and that's not a bad thing. You do not want to be cocky on this track. First gear is going to get a workout today. Whoa, look at that. This loose rock, very difficult. Slow up, slow up. Oh, I should have taken another layer off. I'm heating up real fast. Ease up, ease up. Oh, mate. Well, that's it. Just have a rest. It's fairly flat here. Put that clutch back out. I'll get off that front brake when I can. Whoa. There's some wombat holes forming. It's flattening out, I'll let it go. Get into second, have a rest. What do we got here? We're on down. See that helipad a little bit closer, possibly someone on it. Oh, look at that big wombat hole. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Africa Twins, what is it? Ducati X going up. Get rid of that, wasn't I? So it doesn't catch on anything. Righto. Oh. We're good, we're good. Oh, get out of that, that's it. Oh. She's chewed up here. Let's get over this side. Oh, fucking hell. I'd like to be away from that edge. Oh, fuck. That's it, calm down. Oh, mate, that was tough. Deep breath back, going down again, get back over this side, away from the drop. That helipad is not far away now. Oh, there's a good line here. have a rest. I should have a drink too. Yeah, not sure about going back up. A few of those sections are very, very hard. Loose gravel. A lot of rocks that will just chuck you offline. Hold on, get up on my feet. The climb up to that helipad's looking bigger and bigger. Nice. Up to third gear. We'll just take it nice and steady. Don't know what you're going to come across. Yeah, there's people up on the helipad. Oh, yeah, good. Oh, buggered.
Boys had apologised to you for some reason. They couldn't stop. Did you fall off? I don't know.
No, all good, all good.
They said they couldn't stop.
Nah, yeah, I know. That's why I pointed and I'd give him a thumbs up. Yeah, all good, mate. Get me breath back.
You come in from the other end.
Yeah, come down. Yeah. Righto, just about to take off, taking a few more layers off. It is hot. I'm not going to ride back up that. I'm not going to risk it. Maybe if I was with some other people, but not on my own. It was freaking hard work. There's a few sections that would be just very, very difficult. Very steep, loose rock. And then you've got some solid rock that's on an angle that chucks you offline. It's just too dangerous. Guys went past you on the big bikes, half of them went up. I ran into the other half here. They had enough trouble with this bit. They said, no, they're going around, which is fair enough. So I'm going to do the same. I think I've pushed my luck enough going downhill on that track. It is bloody scary. Rightio, down we go. I know this is still pretty steep from here on. So this track's steep, but it doesn't have that same loose rocks the rest of it has. You can get up this easy. Oh, stalled up. Don't know if I'd have the energy to go back uphill. My legs are sore, my hands are getting sore. Oh, I think we're nearly there. It looks like the Woonongata Road there. Oh. I've got to get this backpack off my back, it's killing me. Look at that, we made it. Oh man. Oh, I'm stuffed. I don't think there'll be too much more to see. I'll sign out here. That is it for day 2. Please, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. I'd like to get to 3,000 subs before the end of the year. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.